tell you 15 productivity and performance secrets that you have been lied about, that nobody else wants to tell you. And we are starting right now. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Taha Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share with you clinic and exam related productivity tips and strategies. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. The first secret is clear your head. You see, our brain, our mind is a wonderful place to have ideas, but it is the worst place to keep your ideas, to remember your ideas. So whenever you have an idea or whenever there is a task that needs to be done, what you do, you don't have to remember it, you just journal it. कहीं ना कहीं पे लिख लो उस task को, like I do. For example, whenever I think of an idea, whenever I have an idea कि मुझे किस topic में YouTube video बनाना है next, so whenever I have this idea, I don't keep it in my mind. I just write it down in an app which is called Notion, and that takes care of everything. Because whenever I start shooting the video, I don't have to think of any idea at that moment. I just open the app and there are so many ideas I have written down in the past. So I just pick one and I start it from there. So dump your brain onto a piece of paper regularly and preferably daily. This might take you something like 10 minutes daily. This journaling will take you 10 minutes daily, but it will help you to gain clarity and it will propel you into action. The second secret is keep certain times and days clear. At least पूरे दिन में 1 hour, or if possible पूरे week में keep 1 day if possible absolutely clear, where no one can interrupt you, where no one can call you, where no one can set meetings with you, where you don't receive any notifications on your phone, where you don't check phones, where you don't scroll your social media accounts. Absolutely ये time को ना clear रखो. अब ये 1 घंटे में करना क्या है, that I'll discuss in my third point. And the third point is the 80-20 rule, which means that majority of work that you are doing doesn't even move the needle. You need to focus on those 20% of the things that you need to do that will bring 80% of the result. And this is what the 80-20 rule is. कि हम जो भी करते हैं ना, 20% of our work produces or gives 80% of our result. So in this 1 hour that you have every day, you just brainstorm कि वो जो भी कर रहे हो वो क्या 20% of the work है जिससे I'll get maximum benefit, जिससे मुझे सबसे ज्यादा result मिलने वाला है. And focus on doing those 20% things first, because these 20% actions will give you real results. This is where the real magic happens. The fourth secret is keep it short. क्या keep it short? भैया अपने to do list को short करना है. अभी एक बार जरा अपना चेक करना to do list and comment करके बताना कि कितने सारे टास्क हैं in your to do list जो लिखे हुए हैं and you never completed those. The problem is कि हम लोग का to do list is far too long. हम लोग इतने सारे टास्क लिख देते हैं and then we are unable to finish those tasks. So what you need to do is just write 3 needle moving tasks each day. उससे ज़्यादा टास्क लिखना ही नहीं है क्योंकि उससे ज़्यादा टास्क होगा ही नहीं अपने से. So सिर्फ 3 needle moving tasks लिखना है, that we will make sure that it gets done. Remember the 80-20 rule जो अभी बात कर रहे थे? So वो जो 20% जो काम है ना, सिर्फ वही लिखना है. वो पूरा 100% of the task को to do list में नहीं लिख देना है. सिर्फ 20% लिखना है, which will be only 3 tasks. The next secret is use a might do list, so that whenever you have completed those 3 tasks from your to do list and अगर कुछ time बच जाए and if you want to work more, then you can pick a task from your might do list and start working on it. The sixth secret, set boundaries, and I mean boundaries. Anything or any person that doesn't align with your work, with your values, with the type of person you are or the type of person that you want to be, say no to them. And there are absolutely no exceptions. There are no exceptions at all. अभी मुझे YouTube वीडियो शूट करना है, या मुझे कोई स्किल सीखना है, या मेरा क्लास का टाइम हो गया है और मुझे ऑनलाइन क्लास लेना है, या मुझे कोई कोर्स बनाना है, कोर्स रिकॉर्ड करना है, या कोई भी काम करना है एंड माई फ्रेंड इज कॉलिंग टू हैंग अराउंड, टू कहीं चलते हैं या फिर ऑनलाइन गेम में आ जाओ, से नो टू देम. Because when you need to say no more often, because whenever you are saying no to these unproductive things, you are automatically saying yes to productive things, and these productive things is gonna take you far in life. So learn to say no more often. The seventh secret is win the mornings. एंड आई एम नॉट हेयर टू कन्विंस यू कि सुबह 5 बजे उठना चाहिए या सुबह 6 बजे उठना चाहिए, बिकॉज मैं खुद 5 या 6 बजे नहीं उठ पाता हूँ. बट द थिंग इज कि वेदर यू वेक अप एट 5 AM or you are waking up at 10 AM, whenever you are waking up, have a powerful morning routine that will help you kickstart your day, that will help you start your day right. And they say that if you win the mornings, you win the day. The 8th secret is don't do your hardest task first. Instead, try to find out, try to figure out when you are at your highest cognitive ability. Because ऐसा नहीं होता है कि थ्रू आउट द डे या जब भी हम लोग जितने टाइम तक जगे हैं, इट्स नॉट कि हम लोग का माइंड जो है वो सुपर एक्टिव है. कभी माइंड ज्यादा काम करता है, कभी कम करता है, कभी ज्यादा करता है, कभी कम करता है. किसी का माइंड ज्यादा एक्टिव मॉर्निंग में रहता है, किसी का माइंड ज्यादा एक्टिव इवनिंग में रहता है. दैट इज वाई यू विल फाइंड दैट सम पीपल लाइक टू स्टडी इन द मॉर्निंग and some people like to study late at night, because that is how their brain works. So you also need to figure out when is your brain most active throughout the day, and that is the time when you need to do your hardest task, because you will be able to complete that task more efficiently and chances are कि वो कर पाओगे rather than उस वक्त करना when my mind is not active. The 9th secret is the 2 minutes rule. Means कोई भी task if it takes less than 2 minutes, then you don't prolong that task. You don't write it down in the to-do list. You do that immediately. किसी को मेल भेजना है, किसी को मैसेज का रिप्लाई देना है, या मॉर्निंग में बेड सेट करना है, कोई भी चीज, if it is taking you less than 2 minutes, then do that immediately. The 10th secret is use the 5 minutes rule. If you have been putting off a task that needs to be done, and ये तो हम करने में एक्सपर्ट हैं कि कोई काम है उसे टाले जा रहे हैं, आज का कल, कल नहीं परसों. So if you have these kind of tasks and that needs to be done, then what you should do is tell yourself this ke okay, let me do this task for 5 minutes and after 5 minutes I'll stop it. 99% chance है कि you will not stop, and I know कि ये 5 minutes rule work करता है because I have tried it myself. The next secret is prioritize sleep. 7 to 9 hours of sleep every day. No caffeine 10 hours before bedtime and no blue light 1 hour before bedtime. Use few supplements like magnesium and zinc and eat lots of proteins. If you do these 5 things, then I can guarantee that you will sleep better than ever. The next secret is go for a walk without music. Just a simple walk, बिना headphones लगाए, बिना कोई गाना सुने, just a simple walk in the nature, among the trees, among the grasses. What this does, it triggers the release of endorphin, and that feels really good because no music is gonna give your mind the space and the time to think and solve problems. And moreover, a walk is the cure to most things. The next secret is work on your passions, because you see life is too short to work on things that you are not passionate about, to work on things that you don't enjoy. तो किसी का सिंगिंग पैशन हो सकता है, किसी का डांसिंग हो सकता है, किसी का कोई आर्टिस्ट, स्केच आर्टिस्ट होता है, किसी का ड्राइंग पैशन हो सकता है. सो वट एवर बी योर पैशन, जस्ट फॉलो इट. लाइक आई एम अ होम्योपैथिक डॉक्टर. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, I really like treating patients, and being a homeopathic doctor, if you know how a homeopath arrive at a medicine, because we select medicine based on symptoms, so it almost feels like कि patient आके कोई cryptic language में symptoms दे रहा है, and I have to decipher this code and come up with a medicine for all the symptoms that I have that is gonna ultimately treat the patient. So I enjoy this process. And also I am into teaching. I teach students and prepare them for exams. But apart from all of these things, I also like shooting videos, recording videos, uploading videos, editing videos, and little by little every day learning new and new things. Because I believe that these videos are gonna stay here long after I am gone. My patients might find a new doctor, a better doctor. My students might find a better teacher. But these videos are gonna be here, and they are gonna continue providing at least some values to people's life. The 14th secret is have cut-off times. See, even if you enjoy your work and you want to work more, having cut-off times and having breaks will give your mind the relaxation and the rest it needs. Because कई बार अपने साथ ऐसा होता है कि we are working on a solution, कुछ solution find कर रहे हैं, कुछ problem solve करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, but we are unable to do that. And वापस से जब वो काम करते हैं तो मिनटों में हो जाता है. That is because when you take this break, your subconscious mind is trying to solve that problem. So take breaks in between works, and this is actually called the Pomodoro technique. And you can utilize this technique while you're working and even while you're studying. Even I have applied it when I used to prepare for exams, but उस time में I did not know the name of it. ये नाम मुझे कुछ दिन बाद पता चला. So have cut-off times, have breaks means 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of break. 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of break. Follow this technique. The last secret is work harder. No matter how hard you're working, no matter how many hours of work you are putting in, there is always room for improvement. You know, there was a time when I was hardly able to upload one video per month. And then there were people uploading 2 videos, 3 videos per week. And I used to think to myself how these people are doing it. ये कैसे हो रहा है? 2-3 videos कैसे कोई upload कर सकता है? And today I am able to upload 1 video every week. So whatever you are working now, you just have to think about it. You have to think how you can get smarter at it, how you can get better at it. And believe me, there is always room for these kind of improvements. And right now I am recording this video from my home. And if this works, then I think that I might be able to upload 2 videos every week. Because पहले के जो videos हैं, you people had seen, those videos I have recorded in my clinic. And if I am able to record videos here, then it will become a lot easier for me to upload 2 videos or even more. So let me know in the comment section below if you want me to upload 2 videos every week. So remember this last point, you can always work harder. Let me know in the comment section which of these secrets you like the most. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.